First, in the JavaScript, what is a function? Like with the functions, you can do the operations and you can iterate the for loops within the function, and in the function wherever you want, you can call that function, and then you can get some output whatever in the function. You can get that output wherever you call that function. Like yeah, first we'll see the function. Like function, this name is like fn. This is a function like which is having the function keyword function, and fn is the name of that function. Within this, I want to do any operations like dot log of hello. Here, if you call that function, you can get the output inside this function. Like whatever you write in the logic, you can get that logic wherever you call. Like here, I want to call that function here. We'll see the output. Open the console. Why I'm using is like I'm showing that output in the console. That's why I'm opening the console here. And if I run that program, you can get hello here, right? Okay, this is the output hello.
This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, this is a function, and one more is like I want to assign this function to one variable, right? Variable fn here, sorry, fn is equals to, now the name of the function is fn here. Okay, this is a like a function expression, and previously we discussed function declaration, right? Yeah, here also you are getting the output hello. Clear? Yeah. What happen if I execute this function above? We'll see. If I run, I'm getting the error. Fn is not defined, not function, right? Now see the function declaration. What will happen here? We are getting the output hello. Clear? Why we are getting output here, and why we are not getting the output in the function expression is like in the function declarations, this all the names like this is declaration, right? That's why this fn here, this fn is hosted and it will be available here, but in the function expression fn is equals to, like I'm assigning to this variable function, then I'm executing. That's why if I am assigned that function to one variable, it's not hosted. We can say like a function declarations are hosted and function expressions are not hosted, right? This is about the function and hosting of the function. Okay.